So conversations, there's a lot of things you can do with conversations. When you add a new comment, you have several options. So once you post that comment, you can mark it as public if you want. If you mark it as public, it means that anybody who has access to that public link we create called the share link, they'll be able to see that comment when they're on this page if it's marked public. Now, you can also copy a link directly to that comment. So this is very useful if you have a big complex project and you're telling somebody, hey, I left you a comment, can you please go work on this thing? You can just send them that link and they'll go right to that comment. So very useful. Now you can resolve that comment, you can mark it as important, and you can delete. And you can also reply, and you can also mention people. So if I'm collaborating with Bruno, for example, I can say, hey, check this out, and he's gonna get a notification that I've mentioned him, and he can come in and respond to me, or he can mark it as resolved, or whatever he wants. Now, when you work with comments, here on the comments pane, you have several options to sort them or filter them. So if I want to, for example, see things I marked as resolved, or see things that are sent to me, right? Anything that mentions me in it. So this is a great workflow hack. If a lot of people have assigned me different comments, I can just see everything right there. Of course, you have marked as important. You have my comments. You have internal as anything not marked public, and then public comments would be obviously anything marked public. Now, last thing is notes. Notes are similar to comments, but they're sort of designed to be a little more permanent. So here you can just enter, a lot of info into the note, and then it's going to pop up under the notes instead of the comments. So these are, again, designed to be like more permanent information. Now you can move comments around by just hovering over the little icon until you see the drag and drop, and then you can do that.